Adding dip in your workout is a great way to improve your fitness level. And if you learn to do them the proper way, you can reap their tremendous benefits. You might ask, what are the benefits of doing dips every day? Well, I am glad you asked. Let's explore all the excellent benefits of doing dip every day, and everything you need to know about dip exercises. If you guys already watched this video, you must like the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Also subscribe to the channel. First, what are dips workouts? Dips workouts are an upper body pressing exercise that essentially builds bigger and stronger triceps, but they also target your shoulders, chest, and back. In addition, this movement develops muscle and strength in the core and upper body while improving your overall conditioning. Benefits of doing dips every day. Number 1. Dip exercise is an excellent compound exercise. One of the most common reasons people give for not exercising is lack of time. However, you can efficiently use your time with dip exercises. Performing dips exercises will require you to use multiple joints simultaneously while also forcing your body to stabilize. As a compound exercise, dip workouts you use more than one muscle group. In addition, dip workouts stimulate more muscle growth, improve your strength, and potentially increase your performance in other lifts. You can also perform them anywhere by just lifting all of your body weight with just the use of your arms. They are perfect for busy people because they will help you work more muscles and build more strength. Number 2. Help you build more muscle. Another benefit of doing dips every day is working opposing muscle groups simultaneously because chest dips are a closed kinetic chain exercise. With kinetic chain exercises, you press your hands or feet against an immovable surface. In the case of doing a dip, you can use parallel bars. Dip workouts are beneficial because they target many opposing muscle groups at the same time. Number 3. Dip exercises are more effective than push-ups. Dips and push-ups are different exercises and separate target muscles, therefore, it isn't easy to directly compare them. However, the American Council on Exercise, ACE, conducted fitness research in 2012 found a higher level of muscle activation for dips than for push-up when compared against a range of exercises. A separate ACE study issued in 2011 also found that dips are very effective triceps exercise, although the advanced triangle push-up variations surpass them. So, which exercise should you choose? It all depends on your fitness goals, but the higher muscle activation will develop bigger chest and arm musculature over time with dip exercise. Number 4. Dips are great functional exercise. Functional exercise refers to exercise that helps you with everyday activities, such as carrying groceries, putting something up on a shelf, or climbing stairs. They train your muscles to help you perform your everyday activities safely and efficiently. Strengthening the body muscles in the same way you would need to use them for specific tasks will reduce your risk of injury and improves your quality of life. The main benefit of adding functional exercises to your workout is improving your ability to complete your everyday activities and your quality of life. Number 5. Dips can help you save money on gym memberships. With dips workouts, you can certainly save yourself money on expensive gym memberships by doing dips at home or at your office during your breaks. As dips workouts don't require any special equipment, all you need to do a basic dip workout is a chair. And, whether you are traveling or busy with your everyday life, you perform dip workouts at the comfort of your hotel, home, or office. Number 6. Dip workouts improve your pressing. Dips workouts help you improve your pushing strength, increase your strength, and contribute to improving your overall fitness level. And, as you improve your dip performance, you will improve your bench press, push-up, and pull-up performances. The dip workout develops strength useful for your grip, lifting weight, and functioning from a more static position. Number 7. Put too much pressure and strain on your joints. Another downside to the dip is that it places too much pressure and strain on your joints. However, most shoulder joints are not necessarily designed to support large loads of weight. The strain is mitigated for people who are strong and have enough supporting muscles to control the movement. However, those with weak shoulders trying to perform dips exercise under a heavy load may experience increased tear and wear on the joints. For triceps presses and extensions, resistance bands are a great option to add to your fitness routine. They are very low impact and work well if your joints hurt. Number 8. Negative dips benefits. Negatives dips are your best friend if you are trying to get better at exercising. If you are a beginner, combine dip workouts into your fitness routine and start with lower resistance options like the machine or bench. And after you become more comfortable with doing reps, add resistance until you can manage the full body exercise. Don't forget to do some standard warm-ups and stretches, and continue using the dip as a form of strength training a few times per week. Also, if you have strong, flexible shoulders and elbows and do not feel pain from body weight dips, the exercise remains an excellent method of building strength.